Hello to all crypto traders and welcome to another I loot waves on cryptos video. Today, guys, I'll be honest, I cannot keep up. So you keep asking for new analysis, and I want to assist all of you. So I'm not going to go into much about analyzing the markets for this particular session at least. I'm just gonna I have actually placed my waves already for Nervos network and also Coti. So I will do two altcoins today, just to try to speed up with the backlog because it's getting bigger and bigger. Okay, now starting with Coti, guys, I want you to see this amazing data line that I have created in order to take into consideration the data that exists since the existence of the actual coin. So with that said, now I want to tell you that we've had a wave one and a wave two up here, right? Down here, okay? So we've got a fresh high and a fresh low down here. These move within this logarithmic channel, yeah, it looks like that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But due to the fact that waves 1 and wave 4 interfere with one another, it can only be a leading diagonal, okay? The good thing is that it's an impulsive leading diagonal, not a corrective, but nevertheless, it doesn't matter. We've ended in the immediate wave 1 up here, which now means after wave 2 finishing as well, right? We had the necessary momentum to break outside this ascending channel and move to new highs. And this is what happened. Now, internally, if we look at the structure, guys, yeah, we did 1, 2, we did 3, and it looks like to me we're going down for wave 4. Okay, now because we did the 402.36 Fibonacci extension of waves 1 and 2 over here, the blue ones, yeah, we reached the 61 cents. Because we did that, I am expecting now that to be a wave 3, which means the downside move, it's a wave 4. Okay, now we want wave 4, guys, to stay above the 25 cents. Okay, now we are 35 cents, 10 cents higher, right? But whatever happens, if we see another drop taking place, we really want that to hold. Okay, what else we want to do is take the wave 3, yeah, and we want to identify some very good levels over here. As you see, we did the 61.8 Fibonacci extension already at 33 cents. So now the next level to look is 26. This is what the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement is, guys. So for 33, we go down to 26 in case we break. But if we don't break, okay, and we consolidate within this area over here because it looks like an ABC, so we could have finished. We are looking either for a continuation up to the 72 cents once we break the 61, yeah, and from there we're going to revisit. You're going to keep an eye and update me, yes, and then I will do the update for you. Or the other scenario is that we could stay here for a while. We could have some sort of triangular formation over here because this is still an ABC. So we could see an ABC, 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 and then move higher, yeah. Or it could be a case where this is going to be some sort of complex pattern, right? So we might see price moving up, then going lower, you know, creating, getting a rejection at this channel, and then finally continuing higher, okay? So we have these three scenarios over here. What we really need to remember, guys, is that at the moment we're consolidating in a fourth wave, and there is going to be another wave 5 once this wave 4 is completed. And we don't want to go below 25 cents. That would change things dramatically. Okay, let's go into Nervos network now. That looks a little bit better in terms of data. Yeah, so we've had wave 1 up here, wave 2 with an ABC double zigzag. Yeah, we have a lot of triangles here. We've got 1, 2, 3, a triangle 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with another triangle internally. So that is where wave 1 finished, right, guys? And then we went down for wave 2 internally. So we've got the intermediate, which is the red, and we've got the blue structure internally, which is the smaller count. Now, this is the interesting part, guys. Okay, I will tell you why. because you can see that the waves interact with one another. For example, this one interacts with this one, okay? So, and you're like, what's really going on here, you know? And here we've got some sort of corrective move. So let me explain. We've got a leading diagonal over here in the green one, a simple correction, ABC. Then we've got a W, X, and Y in the wave B, and then an impulsive move to the downside for wave C. So blue, green one and green two is wave two. These guys, this pattern over here is called an expanded flat. A running flat, and it's well respected because we did the 132 Fibonacci extension from here and here, up here, yeah, which is good. Then we moved up impulsively in wave one, yeah, which is expected because we had a leading diagonal in green one, and then we go down in two. We'll have this interaction, which means that this wave, pink 1 and pink 4 cannot interact with one another. That's why this rejection down here is green 4. So we'll go internally 3, 4, and 5, which means that we are here impulsive because wave 1 and 4 do not interact with one another. And then 1 and 4, the green one, they do not interact with one another either, right? So we are good. We've done green 3 because that is the 200 Fibonacci extension of waves 1 and 2, the blue ones, yeah? Blue 1 and 2 Fibonacci 200, we've done it, which means that is a 4, yeah? And now we guys looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And ideally, we want to go up to 0.025. 2.5 cents are going to be the 300 Fibonacci extension, okay? Now, since we did the waves 1 and 2, we did, you know, the 200 Fibonacci already, yeah? It means that wave 3 most likely is going to be at 3. Internally, though, what else we can do, yeah? We can take this structure, the green one, yeah? And over here, to see what's happening in that aspect. If we look at where we went, guys, we went, well, probably up to 5 even, perhaps higher. Yeah, we went to 5. So this is already overextended. Yeah, does it make sense? So if this is already overextended, excuse me, it means that we can add another unit because wave 5, green 5 has to be, well, it's equal most of the time with wave 1, which means 6. So in my opinion, I would be looking for this blue to end anywhere between the 1.9 and the 2.5 cents. And then we're going to correct and continue higher. I know this is a little bit of a complicated structure over here, but it's how I see markets could probably, you know, perform going further from here, from that moment. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you show your appreciation with a like button, subscribe, turn your notifications on. You know, I'm always trying to be available and respond to your questions. So make sure to keep an eye on those markets because I cannot keep up with everything, guys. Yeah. So let me know what do you think, and we will speak again next week.